To eject SIM tray on the Xiaomi 17T Pro, to insert your SIM card, all you have to do is you need to take a look at the bottom side of the phone where you should be able to find the SIM tray over here in this place. We can also find the SIM eject hole, which is over here, and you need to use an eject tool that you should be able to find inside the box. So once you have your eject tool, you want to put it into this SIM tray hole. So let's put it in. There we go. And once it is in, you want to push it into the phone with a little bit of pressure to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. Now once the SIM tray pops out, you want to use your fingernails or fingers to remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. Now over here we have our SIM card slots. We have SIM slot number 1, and on the reverse side we have SIM slot number 2. So now we just have to use our SIM cards and put them into their spots, into their slots. So let's just put it in. It goes in very easily. Usually there is also like a little click if you fully insert them correctly. So you should hear it once you do that. And of course, if you have two SIMs, you can insert both of them into the SIM tray and make sure that they don't stick out. So your SIM cards should not stick out of the SIM tray. They should be fully inserted into their slots. So after that, we just have to put the SIM tray back into the phone. We're just gonna put it back in and slide it all the way in over here and make sure that the SIM tray does not stick out from the phone. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.